Go right up against. Yeah. I got another tooth too. Where does...
Today we will be installing a Harvey Patio door. We start with adding beads of adhesive on the floor. We end up doing about 3 or 4 rows of adhesive, and then all around the outer edge of the doors. So that way when we put it in, it will create a nice seal and hold it in.
So, I got siding nail. So what we're going to do is put this in. So we're going to put one nail in a corner to hold it. We're going to have to take this out though, because we won't be able to.
Oh, yep. Screwdriver.
I didn't hear anything. It's working just to use a regular screwdriver.
Oh, so you don't need it?
No, thanks. Should rogue.
This is the old age tools. Alright.
Floppy to be.
So put the bottom in first, right?
Yeah. Lever it back. The fingers with the stuff too.
Yep.
Okay.
I'm all on the outside of the frame right now. You just need to let me know which.
Yeah.
Yep. This is about the right spot, I think. Yep.
Okay, so we push it in.
Yep.
Okay. Push everything with your foot. That good? Or are you pushing on?
Sure.
Where do you want it to go? This way?
Yeah.
Just so you know, that corner moved on.
Right.
Okay, yeah. That's good.
Alright, so I'm going to put a nail here.
You want it to be-
It'll be okay. So where do you want it to go?
The top just that way a little bit.
Right?
Yeah, I'll make sure this side stays. Yeah, how about that?
When I look at it right there, that looks like it's in the bubble.
Yeah. Yep. Okay, so do that.
You could nail it, like put 3 nails per side or something, couldn't you?
That's what I was
But
thinking.
then you'd have to take them out. wouldn't you?
I was right.
You still want to
Yeah.
pound them flat. That is 106 and 5/8. 106 and 5/8. That is 106 and 3/8. So that means, according to that, you would need to move. You would need to go like that way, right? But that one needs to lengthen, and that one needs to shorten, but just by a minuscule amount.
Well, that's because we don't know what we're doing. Okay, so that's still at 9/16. You just ran me into the.
The directions called for a bead of adhesive to go along the seam where we'll be putting in the door that is stationary. So now I get past that screw. That might be a little lower now. Okay. Now we gotta push it all the way that way. Yeah. Now you need the cap. Need this thing now? Okay. Wait, hold on. Oh no, I can't do it. Secure the fixed panel with 2 stainless brackets. Okay. Secure the fixed panel with 2 stainless brackets in the upper and lower corner of the fixed sash.
We
We're
haven't secured
questioning if
them.
that's where they go. Is
Does
there a
that look-
picture?
What you think is happening? Supposed to happen?
It shows me where to put the
So Claire, you have 4 screws as described.
Yeah, but which ones, where are the long ones, where are the short ones? Because they're 2 different.
Okay, yeah. The 5/8 inch Phillips panhead screws are used to screw into the panel rail.
That makes sense. So that goes in.
And the number 8 2-inch Phillips panel head screws is used to fasten through the header and the sill.
So they go up and down.
Yep.
Okay, so this goes in.
Apply sealant to screw holes.
So should we drill these?
Probably
I'm gonna
after.
caution you
Oh yeah, because that's underneath.
that if you're trying to put the long one through here, you're gonna go into your concrete.
Okay, so we don't probably want to do that.
Right?
Right, because yeah, still have the concrete there.
So
I'm gonna go get I'm gonna see if I can find a smaller panhead screw and just put a short one in there,
okay.
even though it calls for a long one. And I'm gonna get a drill.
When you adjust the rollers, that should give you some
Right.
opportunity,
Yep.
right?
Yep.
Because you can always make one a little higher than the other.
We might have just pulled this corner out just to too much. Because this is very flush. Well, it's easier to see on the inside. But
So that on the inside
yeah,
looks
it
good.
looks straight up and down. So on the inside, we shimmed in the corners and put screws in from the inside, and we capped them and use adhesive over the before we put the caps in. Everything is all nice and tight and done well and square. The door opens really well. And it closes really well. Do this from the outside. Taped it. And we'll close it. If you find my videos useful or entertaining, please click like and subscribe. Thank you.